What's up, everybody? Welcome to Elevated Armory. Today I have the Girsan, however the fuck you say it, the MC1911. There's a instruction manual. Magazine chamber is clear. Chamber's clear. Magazine's empty. Hammer's decocked. So this is my Girsan 1911, chambered in 45 ACP. This comes with single stack 8-round mag, and then I have another single stack 8-round. These are Federal Premium Plus P self-defense ammo that I have in there. So this is your standard 1911 in all black. Here's your safety, thumb safety, grip safety. Give you a nice skeleton trigger. These grips feel nice. They have a really nice feel to them. You could tell they're quality, definitely well made. It's optic cut, and it came with a red dot, but the one that it comes with is just a cheap piece of shit, so I took it off and I just used the irons. Pretty decent sight. It gives you a rail for mountain lights and lasers and shit. Yet again, I'm not going to take it apart because that's something that YouTube cries about. But it's definitely got some weight to it. I mean, it's all metal. Overall, standard 1911. I like it. I've always liked 1911s. They've always been one of my favorites as far as look and design and everything. This one, the price point on this, I think I paid like $450, $500 for this. I don't remember. I've had this for maybe about a year. I do carry it once in a while. But yeah, I have some videos of me shooting it, so I'll throw those in here as well. And yeah, I mean, if you like 1911s, hit that like button. If you like content that I got, just hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Tell me what kind of 1911 you got, why you picked it. If you don't like 1911s, leave a comment. Let me know why. Maybe we can have a nice little discussion about it. And yeah, so that's 1911 Girsan. This is from EAA, is their what do you call it, their national distribution, I guess. Yeah. European American Armory. That's their importer, I should say. But these are Turkish guns, made in Turkey. And I've shot all kinds of shit through this, brass ammo, stainless steel ammo, good ammo, shit ammo. And I've never had a malfunction with it, never had misfire, nothing. It's always been reliable. I mean, for a $500 1911 to not have any issues with it, I think that's definitely something to be said. And yeah, that's that. So I'll catch you on the next one.